हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू हुमा एकेडमी। आज जो है मैं आपको चैप्टर नंबर 3 साइंस स्टैंडर्ड 10th का जो है नोट्स प्रोवाइड करने वाली हूँ। तो हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है लाइफ प्रोसेस इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंप्लीट द चार्ट सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. Now the first point, reproduction that occurs with the help of somatic cells is called as a sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction का first point है reproduction that occurs with the help of germ cells is called as sexual reproduction. Second point, either male or female present necessary for parents sexual reproduction. Second point, male and female parents on necessary for sexual reproduction. Third point, these fragmentation occurs with the help of mitosis only. Third point, the reproduction occurs with the help of meiosis only. Fourth point, new individuals are made from the methods is genetically similar from parents. Fourth point, new individual formed by these method is genetically formed by parents. Fifth point, asexual reproduction occurs in different individual by various methods like binary fusions, multiple fusions, budding, fragmentation, regenerations, etc. Now the fifth point, sexual reproduction occurs in the different individual by mainly two methods: fertilization, second gamete formation. Now the second question, filling the blanks. First, filling the blanks. The inhuman sperm production occurs in organs of dash. Answer is testis. Second, the human's dash chromosomes is responsible for maleness. Answer is Y chromosomes. C, in male and female reproductive systems of human dash gland is same. Accessory. Now the D, implantations of embryo occurs in dash uterus. Our answer is uterus. Now the E, dash types of reproduction occurs without the fusion of gametes. Our answer is asexual. Now the F, body breaks up into several fragments and each fragment started to leave as new individual. These are fragmentation types of reproduction. अपना आंसर है fragmentation. G, pollen grain are formed by dash divisions of in loculus of anthers. Answer is meiotic. Now the question number 3, complete the paragraph. Growth of follicle presence in the ovary occurs under the effect of follicle stimulating hormones. These form follicle secrete or estrogens. Ovarian follicles along with oocytes growth regenerating under the effects of estrogen. Under the effects of luteinizing hormones fully grow up. Follicle burst, ovulation occurs and corpus luteum is formed from remaining parts of follicle. It's secreted by the estrogen. Estrogen and progesterone. Under the effect of these hormones, glands of endometrium of uterus is activated and it's become ready for implantation. Now question number 4, answer in short. Question number 1, which precautions will you follow to maintain the reproductive health? Answer is private organs needs to maintain clean time to time, otherwise problems regarding reproductive health may arise. Some problems regarding reproductive health may arise in man too. It is essential to maintain the cleanness of their genitals. Second, what is menstrual cycle? Describe it in briefly. Answer is female reproductive system undergoes some changes at puberty and these changes repeat at an interval of every 28 to 30 days. These repetitive changes are called a menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a natural process controlled by 4 hormones. The 4 hormones are follicle stimulating hormones, luteinizing hormones, estrogen and progesterone. One of the several follicle in the ovary started in developing along with the oocytes presence in it. Under the effect of follicle stimulating hormone, these developing follicle secrete estrogen. Endometrium of the uterus start to develop of regenerated under the effect of estrogen. Meanwhile, developing follicle completed development, it burst and the effect of luteinizing hormones and oocytes is released. This is called the ovulation. Remaining tissues of the burst follicle from the corpus luteum. यहाँ पे जो है मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल का डायग्राम आपको जो है बनाना है। टेक्स्ट बुक में आपकी डायग्राम दिए हुए हैं. नाउ ड्यू to these secretions of estrogen and progesterone stop completely, endometrium start to degenerate in absence of those two hormones. Tissues of generating endometrium and utilizing ovum are discarded out through vagina. This is accompanied with continuous bleeding continuous approximately for 5 days. This is called a manturations. Now the question number 5. Question number 5th. Give the names. First, hormones related with male reproductive system. Answer is testes. Second, hormone secreted by ovary of female reproductive system. Answer is estrogen. Follicle stimulating hormones, luteinizing hormone, and progesterone. Third, types of twins. Answer is monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Now the D, methods of family planning, sperm bank. Now the question number 6, gender of a child is determining by the male partner of couple. Explain the reasons with the reasons. Is true or false? Answer is true. The main man is totally responsible whether the couple will have a baby or a girl child. During zygote formation, man contributes either X or Y chromosomes next generations, but female transfer only X chromosomes to the next generation at the time of fertilizations. If X chromosomes comes from male, the child will be a girl, and if Y chromosomes comes, then the child will be a boy. Now the question number 7. Explain sexual reproduction in plants. Flower is structure. Answer is flower is structural units of sexual reproduction in plants. It consists of a 4 floral whorl are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium arranged in sequence from outside to inside. Androecium and gynoecium are called essential whorls because these perform the function of reproduction, whereas calyx and corollas are called accessory whorls because they perform the reproductive protections of inner whorl. Member of calyx are called as sepals, and the green in color member of corollas are called petals, and they are versely color. A flower is called as bisexual if both whorl, that is androecium and gynoecium, are present in the same flower. Example, hibiscus. A flower is called as a unisexual if any one of the two whorl is present in the flower. If androecium is present, it is male flower, and if only gynoecium is present, flower is female flower. Example, papaya. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरा ये लेक्चर बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा होगा स्टूडेंट्स. अगर मेरे लेक्चर को child during zygote formation, man contribution either X or Y chromosomes to the next generation, but females transfer only X chromosomes to the next generation. At the time of fertilization, if X chromosomes come from males, the child will be a girl, and if Y chromosomes comes, then the child will be a boy. Now the question number 7. Explain sexual reproduction in plants. Answer is flower is the structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. It consists of a 4 floral whorls are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium arranged in sequence from outside and inside. Androecium and gynoecium are called essential whorls because they perform the function of reproduction, whereas calyx and corollas are called accessory whorls because they are the responsible for protection of inner whorls. Members of the calyx and called sepals, and they are green in color. Member of corollas are called in petals, and they are the variously colored. A flower is called a bisexual if the whorls, that is androecium and gynoecium, are present in the some flowers. Example, hibiscus. A flower is called as unisexual if any one of the two whorl is present in the flower. If androecium is present in the male flower, and if the gynoecium is present, flower is female flower. Example, papaya. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरा ये लेक्चर बहुत अच्छा लगा हो. लेक्चर अच्छा लगा हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर कीजिए, और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ एक नए लेक्चर में. जब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहे. जय हिंद. वंदे मातरम.